By the way, this is like a 7th time I recorded this video because I might mess up the grammar or wordings. And all of the drama, move on now. I'm done. About this video is about moving things forward. This channel or Dash Dash Memes, I will not delete it. However, I'm still keeping up the videos, either memories, past dramas, or for fun. About all my channels, I will not delete them all. However, I think this will be my last video uploaded it, or I will not uploading every video. I'm just like archive, more like an archive or archiving data, more like a memory, or the video is still there. However, the only YouTube channels that I'm still or I might upload in the future: Samuel David, Dash Dash Arts, Dashlight Cookie, and Primar Studios. Same reason, my passion, not the memes of the Jason memes. It's my passion, by the way. About Samuel David, I will upload college related or Geometry Dash or for memes for funny and some stuff. Dash Dash Arts, I will rename it to Lily Eyes. And the audience is not for kids because eventually I will draw drawings like maybe serious or funny or in every mood. And mostly important is the femboys because I just like femboys so much. And no, I'm not bisexual. I'm straight. Dashlight Cookie Run channel, but rename the channel to Sky Crafty or Rolling Sky or Rollercraft and Cookie Run content in basically funny edits or critics feedback or for fun stuff. Plimart Studios, I'll rename to Lily Art Studios. Lily Art Studios. And then instead like bringing back the original concept back from 2021, I will just make the new project or original project from EMC7, from Sir Vargas, from Dashash Arts, and from Primart Studios, which is Goodbye, and rename to Lily Squad, not Dash Gang 1. The Dash Dash OCs are gone, except Dash Dash, because he's the original. And do you remember the original? The story of... I cannot say the word because if I say the word, they're gonna get mad again. My point is like, I don't care about the dramas, okay? Even though, if you think I'm lying, do I look like AI? Or Shadow Milk Cookie? God? Testing? I don't care. I'm just like, I'm scared I might get cancelled again. Even though, what am I get cancelled for? My point is like, I'm done uploading videos in this channel, Dash Dash Memes. I'm done now. And all those channels, they are done uploading except Dash Dash Arts, Samuel David, Dashlight Cookie, and Primar Studios or Lily Arts. I'm done now. So moving things forward, I'm done now. So Rat, I'm sorry. Please. I don't want to like bad blood between us because I don't hate you, but I'm sorry for hurting you. That's all. Thank you. Bye.